My name's Catherine Day, everyone calls me Kate. I live in Stock, Essex with my husband and my 3 children and 3 Labradors called Ronald, Stanley and Mabel. I went to the toilet one day and there was blood and it scared me. I rang my GP and I got an appointment for the next working day, and she said to me, again, nothing sinister, but just to be cautious, she said, I'm going to send you for a colonoscopy. And yeah, unfortunately they found a 4 centimetre tumour and they confirmed it was bowel cancer, stage 2. And then unfortunately in 2016 they found a single metastasis on my liver, the left lobe. And then in 2018 I had a single metastasis on my lung, and unfortunately I've grown a few on my lung, one at a time, so they remove one and I grow another one. And currently I'm having chemotherapy for 2 reoccurring tumours. My consultant said to me, why don't we contact Lloyds, because I had no idea that they provided this service, home oncology service. We contacted them that day when I was told I had to have more chemotherapy in October, and that night there was an email with absolutely fine, because my consultant was slightly concerned I wouldn't be able to be fitted in because COVID had hit everything, all departments, including Lloyds. But there was no problem at all. I had an email immediately saying that was absolutely fine, and the list of treatments, the drugs, it was just like, whoa, wow, fantastic. So they come to my house and they literally do everything from the treatment to the PICC line, cleaning to bloods, you name it, they do it. So it's been fantastic. I can't even put into words how comforting it is to know that I can have my treatment at home, because when you have chemotherapy, unless you've had it, I can't quite describe how you feel once you've had the treatment. And with bowel cancer, I have to have a pump around me, like a bit like a bum bag, for 48 hours. And I suppose you could say I'm at my maximum of chemotherapy at that point when it needs to be disconnected, and I feel really rotten, I'm not going to lie. And in previous treatments I had to get out of bed, put something on and go to hospital, walk, and I just felt horrendous, you know, really did. It does affect me quite badly. So to know that they come to the house and they disconnect and they go and they come and they go, and I can just lie there and heal and get better. Nothing's too much trouble at all. A couple of times I've got myself in a bit of a pickle prior to treatment, and they're very calming, they calm you down and literally deliver the treatment, and I fall asleep most of the time anyway. And I wake up and they're still here doing their job. They don't leave until they know I'm fine. Julie, who's here today, has been my nurse on quite a few occasions. I love, and I could say this for all of them, their can-do attitude. As I said before, nothing's too much trouble at all. And I love the way they explain everything to you. They explain, we're doing this now, this is going in, that's going in. They don't just assume that you're just a patient there and you know what's going on, because I do know what's going on to an extent, but it's nice to have that confirmation from the nurses, because at the end of the day it's my body, isn't it? So it's very important that I understand what's going on, and they make sure that I do, for sure. So with the nurses as well, I would add that I'd say some of them have become friends in a way. They make me giggle, because I do get quite anxious leading up to chemotherapy. They calm me and they make me laugh. We have a catch up on, I don't know, what's going on TV, or have you seen this, or did you like who was wearing what, or whatever. You know, we have a real girly chat prior to treatment going in. And I enjoy that. I enjoy that banter with the nurses, because it relaxes me prior to treatment, which I think is important as a patient. I would say you know, I'm not just a number. They really truly care, and that comes across.